Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Him on Tuesday. Today, I have an unboxing for you, and I decided to do it live, but I have to go get it. So, wait 1 second. Man, it's raining cats and dogs outside. But anyway, let's check and see what's in this box. All right, y'all, we're going to get back. Let's open up this box. Man, I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. Man, it's a whole box of goodies. Let's check it out. Mm. All of this gear here is from NBT. And I'll put that link on the page for you. And I'll also put in a discount code. If you click on the link, you get 15% off your order. So you might want to do that. But anyway, I decided to order. Ah, okay. So with this order that I received, it comes with two boxes. Nice. These are free gifts, though. These are free gifts from the purchase. So, two boxes I can use to ride with. Let's set that aside. Let's keep it moving. Ah. And by the way, you can return all this stuff. So, I was like, let me try it. Oh, Nicky Boy Toys. All right. NBT gloves. Y'all know I like RST gloves, but I had to try them out. And these are large. Oh, man. Man, they feel nice and comfortable. Now they have a padding. It's a soft padding. It's not a hard padding. Uh, Nothing in the fingers, just stretch. You know, all right. Do have a little palm protection Velcro, but they got the touch on it. Really comfortable gloves, though. Really comfortable gloves. If you ride grounds or any type of cruises, yeah, this glove would definitely fit you. Even sport bike, depending upon how you ride and how far you ride. A comfortable glove. And this, by the way, is a size large, and it fits true to form. I measured around my hand like they said, and yeah, they actually fit. I saw them, and basically I went on and got these like half off because of the sale. They're comfortable. They're comfortable. But anyway, those are the gloves. Now to the exciting part. Man, oh my goodness. So in case you don't know, you haven't seen all my gear yet, but I wanted to go with some blue jeans. Look at these. Man, jeans are nice. Plenty of pockets, stretch material. All right, they're pretty nice. But they not only give you the jeans. Oh man, check this out. Look at this for your knees. All right, nice. They give you two knee pads. And look at this, two hip pads. Check those out. And this is a newer material because the other pads are thick. But these are nice. Let me see, do they have the sea level up here? They do, but I can't see it. All right, CE level ones. Okay, so there you have it. But they give you pads to go in the pants. So I have the black ones, the black pants, the black hoodie. I have the gray pants, and I wear a different type of hoodie with that. Man, the boy's excited. This is Christmas time. Oh my goodness. Check this out. I decided to get the blue hoodie. Man, nice. It comes with elbow pads and shoulder pads already in it. Let me see. That's nice right here. Just a hoodie. So people see me riding in hoodies and jeans, and they're like, he doesn't have any motorcycle gear. No, I wear motorcycle gear. All right. I just want to be a little bit comfortable and look a little stylish. So I got some free underwear, some jeans, blue jeans, and the blue top. Man, this stuff is nice. Woo, woo. I can't wait to get into it. But anyway, that's what I ordered. This is what came. Man, I'm gonna be looking stylish on a bike this summer. And the thing is, I had different type of gear, so I don't want to wear the same type of thing. So this right here, yeah, I be looking decent, and also be showing you all my riding shoes and everything. So I have some blue riding shoes. 'Cause, you know, when I wear my blue gear, I want to have my gear. I don't always just match my bike, but I always like to match what I have on when I ride. So excuse me. So there it is. But anyway, I just want to do that quick unboxing for you to show you what I ordered. Also, like I said, I'm gonna put down the discount link in the description, so you can click on it, get an instant 15% off of anything that you order. And I believe they also have a buy one get one free sale. So go to NBT, check it out. You will not be sorry. And these jeans are so comfortable. They are so comfortable. And oh yeah, I guess I better tell y'all. Look, Kevlar all the way through. Look, I like to ride and look good, but I like protection too. Check it out. Man, it feels comfortable. Jeans fit nice. I'm gonna stand up in the chair. Check that out. Man, you talking about comfortable jeans? Man, this is what I'm talking about. So make sure you share this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. It's not a long video. Hit the subscribe button. And until next time, catch you later on Hammer on Twos. Peace.